Every child coughs once in a while. Sometimes it's just their body's way of clearing the throat. But when should you start worrying? In this video, I will help you tell the difference between a normal cough and a warning sign that means it is time to see a doctor. And also, what you can do at home to help comfort your child. If your child's cough is mild, comes and goes, and your little one is still active, eating, and sleeping well, don't panic. It might just be from a cold, dry air, or mild throat irritation. But pay close attention if your child's cough is persistent, lasting more than 2 weeks, or if it sounds barking, wheezy, or whooping. This could point to conditions like croup, asthma, or whooping cough. Coughs that worsen at night or after play might be linked to asthma. A cough that follows feeding could mean reflux. Here are some nurse tips to comfort your child. Give warm fluid like soup or honey water, but only for kids over 1 year. Use a humidifier to keep their air moist, or let your child sit in a steamy bathroom for a few minutes. Keep them hydrated. Water helps to thin mucus. Let them rest, but keep the head slightly elevated to breathe better. Keep your child's environment dust-free. Avoid smoke or strong scents around their environment. And remember, avoid giving over-the-counter cough syrup to young children unless prescribed by a doctor. Here are some warning signs you must never ignore. Number 1, fast or difficulty breathing. 2, lips or face turning bluish. 3, cough with high fever lasting more than 3 days. 4, persistent vomiting after coughing. 5, the child looks unusually tired, weak, or unresponsive. Remember, not every cough means something serious, but as a parent, your instincts matters. If something feels off, don't wait. Get your child checked immediately. For more child health tips, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. You are watching Healthy Kids with Nurse Fortune, helping you raise healthier, happier kids. Thank you. Bye-bye.